Welcome to the Kingstar demonstration video. In this series, we're going to look at the 5-in-1 fusing press, the KS-5-1M. To look at our control panel, we have an on and off button. To set the temperature and to set the time, press the mode, and we can increase the temperature and the time on the mode button. We flash onto the time. We can increase the time to the amount of seconds we require. Once we have our setting, we can also set our pressure. So the pressure requirement will be according to the quality of the work you are looking for. If we look at our accessories include the flat clamp for t-shirt or complete garments. We have a cup clamp. We have a cap clamp. We have a logo or insignia or your branding clamps over there. Let's start and work through our various clamps. So in this case here we have the cup clamp. How did they do that? You take your branding, you insert it into your clamp, you insert your cup, close the clamp. It will achieve the temperature you're looking for. And when we do, we can count down the amount of seconds that we needed. In this case, we've set it to 5. The red buttons indicating that we're achieving the temperature we're looking for, and the countdown. 3, 2, 1, and it will buzz out. Once it buzzes out, you can remove your cap, you can remove your clamp, and we can carry on and do the next one. Let's look at our next clamp. We insert our cap clamp, plug it in, switch the machine on, tighten the screw, your temperature is set. So for this video, let's insert the cap. Once again, we take our iron-on, our insignia, we insert our cap, we insert the insignia as we require, and we close the clamp, and it will count out the time to the temperature you've set it at, and to the pressure that you've preset. So those are your 3 settings: temperature, time, and pressure. That's all you're ever going to adjust to achieve the required quality you're looking for. If it hasn't adhered enough, you need to perhaps increase one of the 3: pressure, time, or temperature. So at the moment we have the cap clamp attached. So there are 2 screws on the bottom here, 2 wing nuts. So remove the 2 wing nuts. We take out the mold, and then we unplug because we're not using. Remember to switch off first. Unplug the one we're not using. There are 2 screws holding the clamp. You can just go through the guide. You can remove your 2 screws, and we take the mold away. Let's say, for example, we're going to insert now one of the smaller base clamps. The reason it's smaller, it's so that we have a concentrated area where we're going to work on. You have 2 sizes, a smaller and a larger one. So we tighten the screw. There's the 2 screws over there. And again, we insert our cable. That's now, you may want to be adjusting the temperature, the time. You know how to do that. You may want to be increasing the clamp. For this purpose, you will also need your base plate. So your base plate has 4 locating screws. You insert the base plate in the 4 screws. Easy to change, easy to clamp in. Lines up like that. You can adjust the height. You can adjust the height of what you are looking for at the back. You can turn it down, and once again you insert your work. Perhaps it's the sleeve of your garment. You insert your logo or branding on top, and you clamp it. And then equally, we have one slightly bigger. It depends on the size of your branding or logo. Okay? Then once again, you can switch off. You can remove the clamp. And let's put there's just the 1 screw here once again. And And then we insert our big t-shirt clamp. Just hold up there for me, please. A nice idea is a magnetized screw. We've got two little guide holes that we can watch while inserting it. And it is just simply insert the screw. So, and add your second screw, and once again you plug in your power supply. And again, in this case here, for this video, to get the t-shirt in, or the complete garment, or the panel, you lay your panel, you position it, you add your logo, you swing your clamp back in, and you've set your timer and whatever you need to complete your t-shirt. Please, for more information, visit our Kingstar website, www.kingstar.co.za. Enjoy your fusing.